honeys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ivy Bule, and if you're not new here, welcome back, honeys. So today, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing this beautiful easy messy bun with split bangs. So let's just get into it. First things first, I'm going to be working with blow dried hair. My hair is washed, and as you can see here, I am combing my hair, preparing it for our hairstyle. What I'm gonna start doing is sectioning off the part of my hair that I want to create a bang with. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. When you do this part, please take your time because you need to make sure that your lines or whatever you may call this is actually straight. Use a rattail comb if you have to, because I couldn't find mine, so this was a bit tricky for me, but use a rattail comb for this part. Next up, I'm going to be taking my edge control so that I can pop that all over my hair. Use a generous amount on your hair so that your hair can be sleek and smooth. I'm going to be using a thread, but if you have a scrunchie, that will be perfectly fine. So I'm gonna wrap this around my hair, creating a bun. Next up, I'm going to be doing some baby hairs. In this part, you can be creative as you want. Yeah, just create some baby hairs that is flattering to your needs. Shortly after that, I'm going to be patting my bangs. As you can see here, make sure they're straight, but honestly there's no need to be perfect. Just make sure that it's close to your liking. And here I'm showing you guys the bundle that I'm gonna be using. This is a bodywave bundle, and I'm only gonna be using one. You can add more if you want. What you guys are seeing now, I'm wrapping the bundle of hair around my bun like so. Please excuse the lighting here. My camera was not on autofocus. I promise next time I'll do better. Keep wrapping the hair around, and after that just take a piece of the hair to wrap it around your bun to make everything look seamless. And this is what we are doing here. And this is the hair glue I'm going to be using. It is totally safe on hair. When the bun is done, I then just went ahead and glued some pieces of the same bundle hair to the bangs just to make them a bit longer. using my hairdryer on cooling settings. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Put some tracks on and then use some glue and seal it off with hairdryer on cooling settings, like so. Let me know if you are learning anything from this video. If you find this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, like, and don't forget to subscribe. It is free. We have come to the end of the video, and this is how our final look looks like. This was quick, easy, and if you like, you can also cut. I decided to trim my ends here, but if you don't want to cut it, it's absolutely okay. Make sure it is flattering for your face, and you can just trim it the way you like. This was so easy and quick, and I would definitely be doing this hairstyle again. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. I'll see you honeys on the next one. Please don't forget to like, comment, share the video, and subscribe. Bye!